input. You need to have input into your brain to percolate, new fodder for your brain to process. So you need to be looking at things that are novel and new. That's why we can get great insights when we go to see a play, or we go out into public, or we go to see a movie, or we read an exciting book like The Olympus Project, which is now out for pre-sale, just saying. So input is the first one. Step 2 is you need to mix and make the connections. This is like that. And let your brain do the connectings. Then you need to let it go and marinate so the subconscious can process that and find the patterns there. And then you set it on fire. Okay, so random exposure. Here's a little creative thinking assignment, and that is to go out and to have a look at a book or a magazine or an event or a podcast or a video or a YouTube channel that is completely outside your usual go-to. So, if you're not into motorbikes, check out a motorbike site and see what you can learn. If you're not into fishing, check out fishing. Think of a sport that you're like, whatever, and you can go check that out. Or even a profession that you're not into, and go and check out what's available there. And just do it, invest 15 minutes to surf around in somebody else's universe and see what ideas, inspiration pops up from that. You don't know what it is. You don't necessarily have to have an intention. It's to stimulate the stuff into your brain so that you can draw down and make connections.